This is Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise? Are you mad?
And today, somebody ordered an extra spicy mayo.
Okay. Mayo, what is your deal today?
Somehow, I forgot my most important rule, to de-weaponize my opponent before battle. And as I rinse him down, his eyes are telling me that I will regret this day. And at one point, Mayo decided to give up on life.
It's over. Stop being a little baby.
To calm him down for the dryer, I placed him in a happy hoodie and a cone for our safety. The last time Mayo was here, he was extremely matted and had to be shaved right down to the skin. So today he is here for a bath and brush to exfoliate his skin and encourage new growth. I shave his sanitary areas, and then he wears a comb while I trim his paws because Mayo had enough.
You're being mean.
I spray him down in our red berry cologne, and he is all finished. Tonight I will be sleeping with one eye open.